Welcome to Anchor Priyanka Chitragar YouTube channel.
The theme of World Environment Day 2024 is ecosystem restoration. Our ecosystems, forests, wetlands, oceans are more vital to life. Yet they face enormous pressure from human activities. Restoring ecosystems means more than planting trees. It involves reviving the natural processes and relationships that sustain life. The climate crisis demands urgent action, as highlighted in the latest IPCC report, which warns of rising temperatures and biodiversity loss. Whereas by restoring ecosystems, we can mitigate climate change and improve human well-being. Restoration is not only important for environment but also economically beneficial. The United Nations estimates that every dollar invested in restoration could yield up to $30 in economic benefits, creating jobs and increasing productivity. Green recovery strategies provide a unique opportunity to prioritize ecosystem restoration. To it, everyone has a role to play: governments, businesses, and individuals. Policy support, corporate responsibility, and everyday action can make a difference. Education is important to influence future environmental managers. Today, let us celebrate the success of the global recovery and commit to accelerating our efforts. Together, we can build a humorous future where humans and nature thrive. Happy World Environment Day. Act now and save the future. Make the earth green again.
Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.